Are you tired of being interrupted by unknown callers? Silencing them can help you stay focused and avoid those unwanted distractions. Here's a simple way to silence unknown callers on your iPhone so you can have more peace and quiet. Solution 1. Enable silence unknown callers. Open the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Then tap App. Again, scroll down and tap Phone. Find out Silence Unknown Callers. Now turn this feature on. Solution 2. Enable call blocking and identification. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap App. Scroll down and tap Phone. Find out Customize call blocking and identification. Open this up here. You can enable or disable call blocking for specific apps that identify or block spam callers. Also, you can block the person from here by opening Blocked Contact. Here is how you can silence unknown callers on your iPhone so you don't get disturbed by calls from numbers you don't recognize. It's a great way to avoid unwanted interruptions. If you have any questions or need help with anything, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.